I said there was only one dynamics problem. This is it. Okay? Now, granted, drawing the free body diagram is often the challenging part, and here I've done it for you. But given this free body diagram, and given the fact that the mass is 24 kilograms, and the acceleration is 6 meters per second to the right, if I asked you, how big is F3, could you do it? With your clicker, tell me what F3 is. Okay. Get your vote in. Good, the answer is C. That means you're on the right path here. Every time I draw a free body diagram, I get to write Newton's second law twice. Once in the y direction, and once in the x direction. Now, since I'm looking for F3, I'm interested in the y direction. And in the y direction, there's no acceleration. Now, this is the part that some of you are missing. How to use this equation. You expand out F net by writing all the forces in the y direction. But you have to add them up as vectors. I've got 630 newtons, and it's up, so it's positive. I have 140 newtons, and it's up, so it's positive. I have 240 newtons, and it's down, so I add it as a negative. And then I have F3, which is down, so I add it as a negative. That's got to equal, since there's no acceleration, 0. And when I solve that for F3, I get 530, so C is the correct answer. Now let's do it for F5. Okay, use the F net equals ma in the x direction. Okay, get your vote in. Good, the answer is B, but we're not as sure as we were before. Okay, let's do it together. When I expand out F net in the x direction, I just add up all the horizontal forces, but I add them as vectors. I have to be careful with the sign. So here I have 890 newtons to the right, so it's positive. I have 710 newtons to the right, so it's positive. I have 420 newtons to the left, so it's negative. I have F5, it's to the left, so it's negative. That has to equal the mass of 24 kilograms times the acceleration, which is to the right, so it's positive, of 6 meters per second every second. Okay? That tells me that F5 is going to be, this is 1600 minus 420 minus 144. And that's going to give me 1036. So the answer is B. Okay? It's just that easy. Giggle. Everyone, giggle. Okay. Good. Okay.